Welcome back to the channel. We are out here on this beautiful day in Indiana at Rural King to get some welding supplies. Also, when you drive a Jeep, you have to park by another Jeep, right? Am I right? Hobart Weld Shop. Nah, I don't want that one. Definitely need to get a plasma cutter soon. All these welders on display. What about this cool welding helmet? It's got an eyeball on there. Maybe you just go with welding goggles, glasses. Is that a nice jacket? Yeah, it is a nice jacket. Cheap of the cheap. Welding shield. Found a welding helmet. Cheap. It'll work.
We got a flip top.
$7 gloves are better than no gloves. I think we're good on a vise.
Yeah.
Good here.
This is the one I think.
That one?
Yeah. It's quite nice. I like it.
Yeah, that is nice.
There's the wall.
Not bad for the price either. I want to go pro level. Look at that air compressor. Wow. Lots and lots and lots of tools. Smile, you're on camera. Some steel to practice on. Some rods. Some flat pieces here. I wish I had one of these to like practice with, make something, but maybe after I get more practice. It's enough steel to play with. Okay, I do like this one. This is Captain America theme right here. Maybe a birthday gift idea?
Probably good.
Trying to find some wire. Seems they do not carry the wire that we need, so we'll have to go elsewhere for it. One of the best things about Rural King is when I leave, I get some popcorn. I like being chauffeured around. Driver, take me to Harbor Freight, please.
Your wish is my command.
We have arrived. We have arrived to Harbor Freight. Oh, looky there. What exactly what I got. Exactly what I paid. Might need to get one of those too. Look at this tiny guy. So cute. So tiny. Welders, welders, welders. Look at all this stuff. We need one of those. Right here. Yes. Use that. That.
I'd be happy with
Little English wheel. A metal cutting bandsaw. No. Go big or go home. Right here.
we don't need that. We don't need 600.
Huh.
That'd be nice. I like that. I like that a lot.
$140 for that one. That's not too bad.
Rolls really nice. That could be fun. This is the truck, but you know,
It's not too bad. That's good
some
value.
probably store the truck on.
Yeah. I see what's something I need right here. I need one of these to organize all the bolts and nuts and bits and pieces that I have. Be so nice to have. Do you need straps? They have straps as well. How about a tool chest? Do you need a tool chest or a cart? Maybe a
You gotta get
glass cabinet?
You gotta get that too.
Blaster kit.
It's like $30. Then we
There.
got it there. So.
Sanders. Bench grinder.
Buffer.
Need that?
Buffer
Yeah.
grinder.
Yes. That'd be nice.
That'd be amazing.
Would be nice.
So much of that.
Maybe one day when we have the room. Do you need a floor jack? They have that too.
Look at this 4-ton one. Ooh, it's a big one.
Do you need a cherry picker? They have that too.
I'll do this someday.
Yeah.
Definitely all this someday.
We need that. What about this one?
12 ton, I mean, it's plenty for us.
Yeah, that would work.
All right, $66.95. They have card cash.
Those are nice nice gloves. That was a successful shopping trip. Look at that Jeep. It's a good looking Jeep, and the Ford parks by it. We have a nice looking TJ over there. Pretty nice. A little muddy. Someone had fun. Z71. New tow rig, maybe?
Okay, we're going to
We need
UPS.
food. No.
We need to go back to the shop.
No, we need food. No trip home is not complete without a trip to Bass Pro Shop. Got some goods.
Yeah, help for you. Rural King Hair Freight. Popcorn.
All right. Get some more practice welding in. What we got here?
Anti-spatter nozzle shield. A couple of flat paddle discs for cleaning stuff up. Little welding pipe to lock that stuff down. That Singer didn't get was welding pliers.
We need welding pliers.
Specifically MIG welding pliers. These are really good for knocking off the stuff, cutting your wire, adjusting your nozzles, all that stuff. A pair of smaller gloves go along with your helmet.
I got the cheap helmet. I didn't want to buy an expensive helmet right now. Get a nice one later. Got some new gloves.
New gloves, the Vulcan Defenders, the MIG welding gloves. These are from Harbor Freight.
Nothing wrong with these guys right here.
These are nice. These are good heavy duty gloves too. They're both good. These fit my hands a little better. These are very large. Got a soapstone marker kit.
What's that for?
So soapstone is basically it's a stone. You can't think of it as chalk. With this we can write on the metal. It doesn't interrupt
really?
anything. It won't hurt the weld process at all. And you can draw on it, and you can see things through your welding helmet.
What else?
Got some new cutting discs as we were out, and the last one I have is small.
What's that for?
This lets us weld some thicker steel than we could with the .30. The .30 is going to be fine for smaller stuff, but if we want to get up into, this welder won't really do 1/4 inch, but if we want to do even like 3/16 or something, we want to get up into a little higher gauge. Plus, you can get a little bigger pool with that. Tips.
Looky there, contact tips.
These are designed for the
Yeah.
125.
If you get a thicker gauge wire, you need new contact tips. Just FYI, folks. What'd you spray though? What'd you spray?
This is the anti-spatter nozzle shield. We'll see how it does. It says you can do it wet. A lot more came out than I thought would come out, so we'll see how that affects it. Might just clean up just that corner. Is that?
Yep.
Less balls stuck on there. You see that little lip right there? I mean, it's gotta be for the spray or something. So I started my bead a little bit too low. And it's on there. I wish I could get a bigger puddle going, but I think it's just the width of the wire we have. I have bigger ones here. Might run another bead on top of that.
It looks good.
These guys on there anymore.
Okay.
I think what I'm gonna try and do is break it off as it is from the weak side. I want to see if I can hit it on this side and see if I can break it off.
Oh! Has it separated a little bit?
I mean, it's bending at the. I created a gap.
So by hitting it, you've increased that gap.
Yeah, it was straight. I mean it's
Pretty
on there.
stout. Another bead.
Yeah.
When in doubt, weld it out or grind it out. Gonna weld the backside now.
Yeah, try to put a bead right across there. See if I can get it really into the corner this time because it lifted up a little bit, so I'm gonna try and fill that in. See if I can fill that in. I like to clean off the nozzle and the contact point with my brush, get the flux and little balls off of there. It's copper, so it doesn't really, copper and brass, so it doesn't really seem to stick to it, which is nice. But I figured having it clean is gonna be better than having it dirty.
And you had to bring it back up.
Bent down there and I brought back up and walked it along, and man, I thought I was doing really good along here, and I gotta say, those do look good, to me at least, to my completely 100% untrained eye. Right along here, looks pretty darn good. Those look pretty to me.
For a beginner, that doesn't look bad. Do I want to do it? No, not today. I'm not.
Go for it. Do a line up here.
Not wearing the right thing. Got a mostly cotton sweatshirt on, so I'll try something. Where do you want me to do it? Right here?
Don't smell.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Just do it. Just follow. Try to follow that line.
Okay.
Just follow. Be right on that line.
Okay.
Try and get it straight and even. Take your time, nice and slow, and if you want to, you can use little C's.
Curtis cues?
Little cursive C's, basically.
Okay.
And we're all ready to weld.
Well, I need this up for it. Get over it. Okay.
It's still filming too.
Yeah.
Clean that flux off of there. Nice. A few lines. There's one on top of one, I think. Which is fine. Yeah. Get the clean. It's not bad. Those are, definitely see your little circles in there.
Well, had fun welding today. Got a little bit more time in, but gotta cut it short. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.